So I've just been cleaning up my room, my bedroom, and it's so dusty. Oh, I don't have any tissue, so I have to use some kitchen roll. Oh. I need to get some Kleenex. I've been sneezing, sniffling. I just wanted to see if any more sneezes will come out. As soon as I turn the camera on, I stop sneezing. You can see like literally all the dust in my hair. This chair is so squeaky. Okay. Oh, my face is so dry.